Good morning, students. My name is Joshua and I am your computer teacher. I warmly welcome all my students of Standard 4 to begin with me a computer lecture. I request all the students to kindly remove their workbook. I hope all are doing fine and safe at home. So, while you're removing your workbooks, students, let us understand or let me know why it is important to study about computers. As we all know, students, computer plays a very important role in our lives today. Or it is playing a very important role in our lives. Machines or computers have been used in the various fields like schools, colleges, offices, businesses. They are used at various places. So therefore it is very important to study about computers, and with the help of this book we will try to make learning easy, simple and enjoyable. So let's begin with our first chapter. Chapter number 1, Evolution of Computers. What do we understand by evolution? Evolution is nothing but the development or the stages of development or the beginning or the history about computers. So let's see what the introduction part has for us. In the early 17th century, the word computer referred to the people who performed mathematical calculations. It is only in the last 100 years that the word computer has been used to refer to a machine. Nowadays, computers are used in all areas of life. However, the evolution of computer can be traced back to 5,000 years ago in a device called Abacus. Let us learn more about it. So, the introduction part tells us that in the 17th century, माने 17वीं सदी में, computer referred to people who performed mathematical calculations. Now, mathematical calculations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So, during that time, 17वीं सदी में कंप्यूटर सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों को जाना जाता था जो ये सब काम करते थे, मैथमेटिकल काम करते थे. It's only in the last 100 years that the word computer is known to everyone as a machine. उसको एक नाम दे दिया गया, कंप्यूटर को एक नाम मिल गया कि एक मशीन है. However, if you want to go back, trace back, if someone wants to know what is the history or what is the evolution of computers, so we can trace it back to 5,000 years ago. The beginning in a device called Abacus. So let's see what is an abacus, or let's try to learn more about abacus. An abacus is one of the earliest known machine that was used for computation. They were mainly used to count revenue in trade by the ancient Babylonian civilization. So what is an abacus? It's an earlier known machine that was used for computation. Now, what is computation? Computation means doing mathematical calculations. Same like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So that is computation. And they were mainly used to count revenue in trade by the ancient Babylonian civilization. Revenue is again money, profit, loss, how much went, how much came in. So that was the use of abacus in the Babylonian civilization. Now, like we have heard about Harappa civilization, that's how we have our ancestors. Similarly, this is one of the Babylonian civilization. An abacus is a rectangular shaped block that holds balls or beads on vertical rods. The beads are moved by hand to perform arithmetic calculations. An abacus is considered as the most ancient Chinese computer which allow you to count and calculate numbers. So the structure of the abacus. An abacus is a rectangular box that holds the beads or the balls. So let's take a closer look. So this is an abacus. If you watch carefully, students, the beads which is connected or separated by the rods, the vertical rods, are equal in number. The upper part has 2 beads in all the sections and the lower part has 5 beads in all the rods. Later you can count and see. So it was considered, an abacus is considered as the ancient Chinese computer. So see here, we say the Chinese product don't last forever. But the history of computers began from abacus. So the Chinese product is still lasting. So an abacus was basically, it's a rectangular box which is made up of those beads or balls separated by the vertical rods, and it was used to calculate numbers, calculate and count numbers. So that's where the evolution, or we can trace back to. Let's see what is next. Pascaline. Pascaline was the first mechanical calculating machine that was invented in 1642. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented Pascaline when he was just 19 years old. So what is Pascaline? It's the first mechanical calculating machine. So what is the difference between abacus and Pascaline? Abacus is human. We have to manually perform the task, the counting. And in Pascaline, it's a mechanical, like by the work of some gears and machines. So this was a calculating machine which was invented in 1642. By the name of the person was Blaise Pascal. And he was a French mathematician. When he invented this, he was just 19 years old. Imagine, just a 19-year-old boy inventing a machine or mechanical calculating machine. We all have the strength and the power to do such things. So this machine with its gears and wheels could perform addition and subtraction. Hence, it could do multiplication only by repeated addition and division by repeated subtraction. To sum up, Pascaline was used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It could calculate numbers till 9,99,99,999. So see, if you take a look at Pascaline, here you can see there are some wheels connected, and those are the gears. So those wheels are known as gears. That's when it's termed as mechanical. So when you turn something with the help of gears and wheels, that's when it's a mechanical. Something mechanical is happening. That's why it was mechanical calculating machine.